Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I did take a little short couple day break. It was very unintentional, but I've been getting really bad headaches and stuff recently, so I just kind of took a day to myself. Yeah, so I'm sorry I'm just wearing a jacket and a t-shirt. It's so cold in my room and I didn't really feel like dressing up. I also have on my PJs in case anyone cares. But today's video is going to be my monthly favorites. Now, I haven't been wearing makeup so much this month, but when I have, this is kind of the stuff that I've been going to. I don't have a lot of products, but I am just gonna go ahead and get started because I'll probably talk way too long anyway. So yeah. Alright, my favorite combination this month of foundation has been the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Ivory Nude, along with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, the Fit Me Foundation in the shade 120. Now this shade's too dark for me and this shade is too light, so I just mix them together and it makes the perfect color for me. These two foundations mixed together are so good. I've gotten so many compliments on my skin when I've worn these two foundations together. It stays forever, it gives you a full coverage look, and it ain't going anywhere, and I freaking love this combination. Alright, the next product I'm going to talk about is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Contour. I did my full face of Wet n Wild and I have been obsessed with this product ever since. I had tried it out before but I didn't really like it, but now I freaking love this stuff. It is so good. I'm wearing it on my face today and I just think it is so easy and blendable, the easiest way to apply cream, I think, in my opinion, because I think it blends out so much easier than a regular cream product, but it is still a cream slash liquid type thing. So I really love this product. It's been so easy and it's from the drugstore from one of my favorite brands, so that's a plus. Alright, another product I want to talk about is this blush. Now this is the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. I know everyone and their mother talks about this blush, or at least they did a couple years ago on YouTube, but it is beautiful. I recently just picked it up again and have been using it. I do have so many blushes in my collection and it's hard sometimes to remember to use everything in my collection. But I did my spring makeup tutorial, which if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll link it down below. But I use this blush and I couldn't believe I've ever stopped using it. It gives the prettiest spring peachy coral look to your cheeks and I just absolutely love it. Now it does have glitter in it, so if you don't like glitter in your blushes, you might want to stay away from this one. Well, I don't see the glitters a lot when I look at my cheeks and it just gives the most beautiful peachy pinky corally vibe and I love it so much. Next I have two highlights to talk about. Now this one is a newer one to my collection. This is also from Milani. It is their Afterglow highlighter in the shade Strobe Light. This is beautiful highlight. This is so pretty, but it is not for the faint of heart. It gives you that very nice glow, glow. It is not a glow from within, it is a glow, girl. You will be glowing. And it is so pretty though. This next product has been in my collection for a while now, but I just recently picked it up again. This is the Balm's Mary Luminizer. This highlight is absolutely stunning. If you do not own this, you need to go pick it up now because I think this is one of the best highlights, if not the best, that I have ever tried. I love it so, so much. It is on my cheeks today and it gives you that beautiful, beautiful glow. Now this as well is not one of those highlights that is a glow from within. It's more of a I want highlight, I want a glow type highlight, but also it's not so metallic or whatever that it's almost unwearable. I think it's still very wearable. Alright, another thing I want to talk about is this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. Now this thing has been one of my go-tos this month. I'm not wearing it today, which I should have, but it is a really nice product. I think it's really good, one of the best concealers at the drugstore. I struggle with finding good concealers from the drugstore and I think this one is a really good one. Now the only thing is I think this retails for $7 and you're not even getting a fluid ounce. So that's my downside to this product. But I do think it's really beautiful. I do think it gives a very full coverage. Now people say it's comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. In my opinion, it's not as full coverage, but I am wanting to do a video where I test out dupes and this will be included in it. But as of right now, I've really been liking this concealer. Alright, moving on to eyes. This is a palette that is my holy grail palette, but because I do have so many palettes in my collection, I have put this down for a while, but I've picked it up again recently, and this is the Tarte Lit in Bloom palette by Tarte. I love, love, love this palette. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I just think this is the most beautiful, stunning, wearable palette. You have all the colors you need to stay neutral, an everyday look, but then you have the colors on the other side to amp the look up. I love this palette so much. It's all the colors I love. It gives me an everyday look, and then I can also go smoky if I wanted to. Also, it has the best smell ever. I freaking love this smell. And this shimmer right here called Funny Girl is like my favorite shimmer in the entire world. Like, I love this shade so much. But yes, I've been wearing this recently. It is a very good palette. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who wants it, and this is my holy grail. The next item I have is the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara. I'm not sure if I've talked about this on my channel before other than my Wet n Wild video, but I love this mascara. I'm someone who struggles with getting the mascara all over like my bottom lash line, and this mascara makes it so easy not to do that. The wand is super tiny and super fine. In fact, I'll show you. Super skinny and super nice to get right up in there, really close to the lash line without getting, you know, too close to where it touches everything and then you have black smudge underneath your eyes. So I've really been loving this mascara. Alright, the last few makeup products I have to talk about are lip products, and I know this may be excessive, and they're all nudes, so I really apologize for that. But the combo that I've been loving a lot is this ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Skimpy. This is a beautiful, just like classic nude color, and I love ColourPop's lip liners, and they're so nice and creamy and beautiful and very pigmented, and I've really been loving this one. And I've been wearing this a lot with the ColourPop, the name is rubbed off because I've used it so many times, but it's the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Fairy Floss. Now this is just a beautiful like nude colored gloss. It is sheer, so it's not super opaque, but I've been wearing these two together and it's what I have on my lips today, and I just really love this combination together. This has been like my go-to and I love it. Now when I haven't been wearing that, I have been wearing this, and this is the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Glossy Fawn. Now I kid you not when I tell you this is the perfect everyday lipstick. Like, I just find it so wearable to wear every day. Like, even if I'm wearing a t-shirt and like sweatpants or something, I can pop this on because it's a very natural like lip, at least for me. It's like my lips but a little bit better, you know? Like, they always say that, and I've never found like my true favorite nude. Now this is a little bit more on the brown side, but I still love this dang lipstick. It is so comfortable to wear. It is not a matte lipstick, and I think that's what I love about it. Like, I love my matte lipsticks, but this is not matte and it doesn't dry the crap out of my lips. So I've really been loving this, and I've been wearing it every day when I'm not wearing the combination I have on my lips today. The next two products are products I'm not sure if I've ever talked about on my channel before. This is the Too Faced lipstick in the shade Sunday Funday. It is like the perfect nude for me, in my opinion. Now this is more pigmented than the other nude I just talked about. I save this more for when I'm kind of more dressed up. I don't wear this on like an everyday basis, like if I'm wearing a t-shirt, which is practically what I live in. But I love this lipstick. I would definitely recommend it to anyone. I think it was worth the money. I love the packaging. The packaging is so freaking cute. And I really do love this lipstick. It lasts a long time on me, and it is the perfect nude. The last lipstick I want to talk about is one that's kind of newer to my collection. This is from the Sephora Lip Stories collection, and this is the shade Brunch Date. Now this is another nude, but it's a little bit deeper for me. It is kind of a more brown nude. I think that's what I tend to go towards, are the like brown type of nudes, because I don't really like pinks on my lips. But this is just another beautiful nude. It is a matte lipstick. Now, if you're asking me which one I like better between this one and the Too Faced one, I would have to pick the Too Faced just because I like the color slightly more. Okay, so that was the last like makeup type item for this month. So next I want to share with you guys a skincare item. So I've really been loving this mask from the brand Sephora collection. It's called the Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. This is just what mine looks like. I've really been liking this mask. What I love about it is that when I put it on, I feel like it's tingling. Like, it tingles my skin, so I feel like it's doing something. I don't really know if that like makes sense to you guys, but when I feel the like tingle, I'm like, oh yeah, it's like pulling the things out. It's doing good things, and like, I don't know if anyone else feels that way, but I do. The next product I want to share with you guys is actually a perfume, and this was a bigger purchase for me this month. I've never splurged this much on myself before, but I bought myself the Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo perfume, and I freaking love the scent of this. It smells so good. I cannot put this down. It smells more mature to me. Not necessarily, it has like a masculine type scent to it, in my opinion, but I've really been loving this thing. It's hard for me to put it down. I've been wearing it every day, and I absolutely love it. The next two products I want to share with you guys are both hair products. Now, the first one is this. I love this brand because of the way everything smells. This is from the brand Aussie, and this is called the Hair Insurance. It's the leave-in conditioner. It instantly tames, softens, and smooths. Now, I've really been loving this. After my shower, I just spray this all throughout my head, and I feel like it really has made a difference. I feel like my hair is a little bit softer, and it's not as like crazy as it normally is if I let it like air dry. And I've really been liking this product, and it smells so good. And the last product I have to share with you guys is the L'Oreal Air Dry It Ruffled Body Mousse. Now, my hair is naturally like wavy, and like the underneath is like ringlet curls. So I've really been loving to keep my hair natural over the course of this month, and I've been using this product to do so. Unfortunately, I didn't do it today, but I really have been loving this product. So how I use it is I just get out of the shower and I let my hair air dry for a little bit, and then when it's about damp, I shake this up like this little nozzle right here, and I squeeze some in my hands. And the way I like to do it is I rub my hands together a little bit, and then I start like scrunching up my hair, if that makes sense. So like take my hand and scrunch up with the hair. And so yeah, I've really been liking that. I feel like it holds a curl really well, and it's not super crunchy. Like if you put too much in one area, it gets crunchy, but if you don't put a lot in like your areas, it doesn't get super crunchy. And I love the smell of it. It smells like a perfume, and I freaking love it because that smell lingers in my hair all day, and it smells so good. Alright guys, so that is it for all of my products I've been loving this month, like beauty kind of wise. I do want to give a shout out to the book Lady Midnight by Cassandra Clare. Now, I do not have it with me because I borrowed it from the library when I was reading it, so I don't have a copy to show you guys, but she is an amazing author. I love all of her stuff. That book was amazing. It's continuation of her first series, which is the Mortal Instruments series, and then she also has the Infernal Devices series. Love both those series, so if you're looking for a good book suggestion, I would definitely check those ones out. But yeah, I really loved that book this month, and it was really good. The next thing I want to shout out is a YouTube channel. So it's actually my sister's channel. If you type in Hannah Hokit, you'll pull her channel up. Now, she's not a beauty channel or anything related to that. Hers is strictly singing channel. She has an amazing voice, and yes, I may be a little bit biased because she's my sister, but she has been doing amazing things, and I'm just really proud of her, and I would love it if you guys would go show your support to her channel, and I hope you guys enjoy her voice as much as I do. Now, the last thing I'm going to do for you guys is my song favorites of the month. So we're going to try and get through this quickly because I do have quite a few. This song, The Middle by Zedd featuring Maren Morris.
In the middle.
My next favorite is a country song, surprise, surprise, and I just really love this song. And this is the song Every Little Thing by Russell Dickerson.
Baby, she's Alabama, Dixieland delight. 'Cause I love every little thing about her.
My next favorite song of the month has been another country song, and that is Tequila by Dan and Shay.
When I taste tequila, baby, I still see you. Smell the Bible, baby, I never leave. I remember how bad I need you. When I taste tequila.
I don't know all the words to it yet, and this is called You Are the Reason, and it's by Callum Scott.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you.
I just love that song. Oh. I do want to mention that I have been completely obsessed for the past like 3 months with the Greatest Showman like soundtrack. So one of my first favorites is Rewrite the Stars by Zac Efron and Zendaya.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were meant to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you are the one.
next one is called Never Enough, and it's sang by Lauren Allred.
Take my hand. Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me.
Okay, and obviously the next one would definitely be The Greatest Show, but I'm not going to go into that one. My other favorite is The Other Side, and it's sung by Hugh Jackman and Zac Efron.
Right here, right now, I put the offer out. I wanna cheat you down. I know you see it. I wasn't born this morning. 18 would be just fine. Why not just go ahead and ask for nickels on the dime? 15, I do 8, 12, maybe not 10. Don't you wanna get away to a new what you gonna pay? 'Cause I got what you need, so come with me and take the ride.
Okay guys, thank you so much for letting me awkwardly sing on screen with you guys. Thank you for watching that if you did. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a like down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I try to put out videos every Monday and Friday, and I'm trying to go to Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But we'll see how that goes with my school and work schedule, so we'll see. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!